to operate the subtraction in directed numbers, definitely you should have a better understanding about the multiplication of directed numbers. That is the key thing before start to do the subtraction. So, first of all, from the positive 5, we are going to subtract positive 3. From the positive 5, we are going to subtract positive 3. Even though this is a subtraction, there is a hidden multiplication here. There is a hidden multiplication. So you should keep the number in first. Number in first as it is. Thereafter, here you have negative. There is a bracket, and inside you have a positive value. That means you should multiply these two directions. Bracket means multiplication. Okay, bracket means hidden multiplication. That means you should multiply this direction only. Negative into positive, it would be negative. Negative into positive, it would be negative. Then the value, it is 3. Value is 3. Then 5 and 3. Here look at this. This is just usual addition and subtraction. In addition, I told you that if the directions of these numbers are different, you should subtract and give the higher numbers direction to your answer. Give the higher numbers direction to your answer. That's all for a subtraction. Okay. I'll repeat again. This 5 remains same as positive 5. But when you look at this, here there is a negative and inside the bracket we have positive 3. The bracket is indicating multiplication. So negative should be multiplied with this positive. That will give you a negative. Negative into positive, negative. No? Then 3. Here there is a multiplication. Here there is an addition and subtraction relationship. This is positive. This is negative. So both of them are not friends. They are enemies. So we need to subtract the values. 5 minus 3, it's 2. Higher number 5, which is holding positive. So answer will be positive 2. Answer will be positive 2. Let's look at another example. Negative 7 minus 1. Okay. Negative 7 minus negative 1. Okay. Here, negative 7 remains same. There is no any directions before this one. So we can keep it as the negative 7. But here look at this. Negative bracket, another negative. That means multiplication. So when you are subtracting any directed numbers, definitely you should indicate the bracket. That's must. Okay, otherwise you will mislead the question. Definitely you should put the subtraction while we are dealing with directed numbers. So negative into negative, it will become positive 1. Positive 1. So here we know how to do this. 7 and 1. Both are having different directions. So that means subtraction. Both are enemies. So 7 minus 1 is 6. 7 is the higher one which is holding negative. It would be negative 6. Finally, the answer would be negative 6. Okay, let's look at another example as well. Positive, no, negative 3 plus negative 3. Okay, negative 3 plus negative 6. In here, negative 3 remains same. Here, multiplication of positive into negative, it would be negative 6. Both are same directions. Okay, both, even though it is negative, both are same directions. So you should add them. 3 plus 6, it's 9. The common direction is negative. Common direction for both of them is negative. This is the way you should operate with the subtraction. Okay, here there are 10 questions. Let's try them. Then after, let's discuss our answer. Here, positive 4 remains same. Negative into negative, it's positive 2. Okay, both are same direction. If both are same direction, you should add them. 4 plus 2, it's 6. Positive. 4 plus 2, it's 6. with a positive. Both are positive, no? So answer also would be positive. Here it's positive 1. For the second question, positive 1. Positive into negative, it would be negative 6. Both are different directions. So you should subtract. 6 minus 1 is 5. Higher number 6 holding negative. So it would be negative 5. Negative 5. Then third one, negative 3. Negative into negative, it's positive 3. Okay. You have 3 toffees. You ate all those 3 toffees. What's the remaining? 3 minus 3. Means these directions are different. You should subtract. 3 minus 3, it would be 0. There is no any positive or negative directions to 0. It's just a neutral value, only 0. Negative 3 plus 3, it would be 0. Then fourth one, negative 1. Negative, positive into negative, it would be negative. Here it's multiplication. Then 7. Both are same directions. So we need to add 1 plus 7 is 8. Common direction would be negative. Common direction would be negative. And then next one, negative 12. Positive into negative, it would be negative 9. Negative 9. 12 and 9 both are same directions. So let's subtract. Sorry, both are same directions. Both are same direction. So you should add with the same direction. With the same direction. In the sixth one, positive 13. Negative into negative, it would be positive 2. So 13 plus 2, it's positive 15. Same as previous ones. Next, negative 11. Negative into positive, it would be negative 1. Okay, negative into multiplication also here. In subtraction, multiplication also playing a key role here. Negative 11 minus 1, it would be negative 12. And then positive 2, here it's negative 12. It would be negative 10. Ninth one, negative 9, it's positive 19. It would be negative 10 again. Last one, positive 13, negative 3. It would be positive 10. It would be positive 10. Okay, these are the answers.